Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's delve into masking on multiple conditions, covering different scenarios, approaches, and code examples. I'll provide detailed explanations and practical illustrations using Python and NumPy, which is a common combination for numerical data manipulation. Understanding masking. Masking, also sometimes called boolean indexing or filtering, is a powerful technique used to select and operate on specific parts of an array or data structure that meet certain criteria. Essentially, you create a mask, a boolean array, that corresponds to the data you're interested in. True values in the mask indicate elements you want to keep or modify, and false values indicate elements you want to exclude. Core concepts and benefits. Asterisks